Salam guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you guys enjoy watching it. Today I created 4 simple hijab styles. It's perfect for this summer because it's super breathable. I made sure that all of the looks are breathable from the neck because I know that it could get really hot and sticky, and I just hate the feeling of like your hijab just like suffocating you. For all 4 looks, I made sure to use as minimal pins as possible. I also made sure that you can wear your sunglasses with all of these looks because sometimes I know that it could get a little bit annoying with your hijab sticking out whenever you wear your sunglasses like that. All of the hijabs that I'm going to be featuring in this video are from Voilechic, and I did partner up with them for our giveaway, so I will be giving you guys all the instructions at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. All of the tops and dresses that I'm wearing in this video are from Shein, and I will link them in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's just get straight into it. Well, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, for the giveaway instructions, I haven't decided if I'm going to be doing it down in the description or on my Instagram. So if I do decide to do it on my Instagram, I will link my Instagram down below so you guys can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Assalamualaikum.